We were going through a period where we were just struggling to make phone call connections with the clientele through the database. We noticed we'd been having great success rate with just our general SMSs. That was our main trigger and thought to let's look into the RiTA system.
RiTA is CoreLogic's AI-powered but highly personalised digital assistant for real estate. RiTA's purpose is to help you maximise the value of the customer contacts within your database. It has two-way SMS functionality that enables personalised conversations, allowing you to understand where your contacts are in their property journey.
So our database is 50,000 strong, and at the moment RiTA's made her way through 60% of that database. We've had a success or return rate of 1 in 10. That's generating on an average 8 to 10 appraisals a month, but consistently 1 genuine listing a month out of RiTA. It's just been a powerful tool for cleansing the database, because sometimes, we get the replies from RiTA, no longer in the area, no longer own a home, great, delete contact. The whole idea of using the RiTA system is I could be at appraisals or doing inspections at that time and I'm still getting communication or prospecting happening on my behalf.
RiTA empowers you to scale conversations with thousands of customers, achieving what would otherwise require far more time.
A client, I should say, within the database, that was on with another agent, and unfortunately that agency did not sell the property. That contact did get lost within our database until they were sent a text message via RiTA. During the text process through RiTA, it generated a listing and signed.
Why not allow that initial conversation to be handled by our highly personalised digital assistant that will send you the people who are really interested in your help, so you can focus on the best and let RiTA take care of the rest.